Hello dear students and viewers, welcome all of you on our YouTube channel Sharma Reasoning Classes. In this video, we will discuss about Mahajanpads of India. First of all, I would like to tell you that there are 16 Mahajanpads in India which are very important in every examination like UPSC, SSC and etc. and etc. These Mahajanpads are the topic of history and these are very important topic. So first of all, I would like to tell you that there are totally 16 Mahajanpads of India which are very important in each and every examination. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you please subscribe to our channel for more updates. So first of all, start this video. The first Mahajanpad is Gandhara and the Gandhara's capital is Taxila. This name is known as the Takshashila. Gandhara's capital is Takshashila. And now the question rises is that what is the locations of Gandhara Mahajanpads? So here we will discuss about the locations of Gandhara Mahajanpad. Location is covering the region between Kabul and Rawalpindi in northwestern province. So as you all know that there are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. So what is the location of Gandhara Mahajanpads? So here between Kabul and Rawalpindi in northwestern province. Northwestern, it means this region is covering by the Gandhara Mahajanpads. And which is the capital of Gandhara Mahajanpad? Taxila is the capital of Gandhara Mahajanpad. So this is the first Mahajanpad. Second Mahajanpad is Kamboja. Kamboja Mahajanpad's capital is Rajpur. And what is the locations? Locations is covering the area around the Panch area in Kashmir. Panch area of Kashmir is the exact location of Kamboja Mahajanpads and capitals of these Mahajanpads is Rajpur. This is very important concept. Next Mahajanpad is Asmaka and the capital of Asmaka Mahajanpad is Potana. Potana is the capital of Asmaka Mahajanpad. And what is the location of Asmaka? Location of Asmaka is covering modern Pathan in Maharashtra on the bank of river Godavari. These Mahajanpads are situated on the bank of river which named as Godavari. So Godavari river is the main locus point and main location point of Asmaka Mahajanpads and capitals of Asmaka is Potana. Next Mahajanpad is Vatsa. The capital of Vatsa Mahajanpad is Koshambi. And what is the location of Vatsa? Location of Vatsa is covering modern districts of Allahabad and Mirzapur. So Allahabad and Mirzapur, these both are present locations of Koshambi Vatsa Mahajanpads. The next Mahajanpad is Avanti. The capital of Avanti Mahajanpad is Ujjain, and as you all know that Ujjain is in Madhya Pradesh. So covering modern Malwa Ujjain region of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the region of Avanti Mahajanpads and the capital of Avanti Mahajanpad is Ujjain. The next Mahajanpad is Sursena and the capital of Sursena Mahajanpad is Mathura. And what is the locations of Mathura Mahajanpad? So located in the Mathura region at the junction of the Uttar Path and Dakshin Path. It means North Path and South Path. So Sursena have capital Mathura and located in the Mathura region at the junction of Uttar Path and Dakshin Path. Now the next is Chedi. Chedi Mahajanpad have capital Shuktimati and these are situated on the covering the modern Bundelkhand area. In Bundelkhand area, the type of Mahajanpad which are situated are known as Chedi Mahajanpad and capital of Chedi Mahajanpad is Shuktimati. So next Mahajanpad are Maila. Next Mahajanpad is Maila in which capital is Kushinara and Pawa. Now question is that what are the locations of Maila Mahajanpads? So modern district of Deoria, Basti, Gorakhpur in eastern Uttar Pradesh later merged into Magad kingdom. Firstly, there was arrived modern district in Deoria, Basti and Gorakhpur and these are the district of Uttar Pradesh. After sometimes they merged into Magad kingdom. This is very important concept about Maila Mahajanpad that first of all they covered modern district of Deoria, Basti and Gorakhpur in eastern Uttar Pradesh. But after they merged later into Magad kingdom. Now next Mahajanpad is Kurus and the capital of Kurus is Hastinapur and we can say that Indraprastha. Now, what is the location of Kurus Mahajanpad? Covering the modern Haryana and Delhi area to the west of river Yamuna. Yamuna is where situated in the Delhi. So, these Kurus Mahajanpad have capital Hastinapur or Indraprasth and covering the modern Haryana and Delhi area to the west of river Yamuna. Next Mahajanpad is Matsya. Matsya Mahajanpad have capital Viratnagari and Viratnagari is belongs to Rajasthan. So, the location of Matsya Mahajanpad is covering the area of Alwar, Bharatpur and Jaipur in Rajasthan. These three are the districts of Rajasthan and these are covered by the Matsya Mahajanpads. Now the next Mahajanpad is Vazis. Vazis Mahajanpads have capital Vaishali. Now what is the area and what is the location of Vaishali capital and Vazis Mahajanpad is located to the north of the river Ganga in Bihar. It was the seat of United Republic of 8 smaller kingdoms of which Lichavis, Janatrix and Vidivas were also members. In Vazis Mahajanpad, there are seat of United Republic 8 smaller kingdoms. How much kingdoms? 8 smaller kingdoms, in which Lichavis, Janatrix and Vidiyas were also members of this planning. So the next Mahajanpad is Anga. The capital of Anga Mahajanpad is Champa and the location of Anga Mahajanpad is covering the modern district of Munger and Bhagalpur in Bihar. The kingdoms were later merged by Bindusara into Magad. Here we will discuss about the fact that first of all they cover modern district of Munger and Bhagalpur, but after some time they was merged by Bindusara into Magad. The next Mahajanpad is Kashi and the capital of Kashi is Banaras. And what is the location of Kashi Mahajanpad? Location of Kashi Mahajanpad is located in and around present day Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. So Varanasi is the exact location of Kashi Mahajanpad. And what is the capital of Kashi Mahajanpad? Capital of Kashi Mahajanpad is Banaras. Banaras is the present capital of Kashi Mahajanpad. And what is the location? Location is around present day Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Next Mahajanpad is Kosala and the capital of Kosala is Shravasti. And what is the location of Kosala Mahajanpad? Location of Kosala Mahajanpad is covering the present district of Faizabad, Gonda, Bahraich, etc. and etc. These three districts are covered by Kosala Mahajanpads and their capital is Shravasti. Okay, so next Mahajanpad is Magadaga. Magadaga Mahajanpad have capital Girivraja or Rajgriha. These are the capitals of Magadaga Mahajanpads and the location of Magadaga Mahajanpad is covering modern district of Patna, Gaya and parts of Shahabad. These three are the current locations of Magada Mahajanpad. Now the next Mahajanpad is Panchala. Panchala Mahajanpad have capital Ahichatra, West Panchala and Kampilia, South Panchala. There are two types of capitals which are known as the West Panchal and South Panchal. So Ahichatra was the West Panchal capital and Kampilia is the South Panchal capital. So what is the location of Panchala Mahajanpad? The location of Panchala Mahajanpad is present day Rohilkhand and part of central Doab in Uttar Pradesh. So we can say that Uttar Pradesh is present and current location of Panchala Mahajanpad. So these all are 16 Mahajanpads of India and about their capitals and about their locations. These are very important concepts according to each and every exam's point of view. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates. So bye bye, take care.